We are witnessing a major transformation in the computing industry. For the last 40 years, we have bought computing power in advance of when we need it. A very inefficient process where we are buying ahead of the curve and running after filling up the capacity that we bought. Cloud computing changes that whole dynamic, that we don't need to buy anything in advance and not to be worried about filling in the gap. What we do is we buy computing power when we need it and where we need it. And therefore we're able to efficiently tie between our computing demand and the supply that we need to fulfill that demand. But the challenge with cloud computing is you need to be very aware of how your business is behaving. And if you're not sensitive to how your business is behaving and how you're buying your cloud computing resources to fit the needs of your business can suffer from a mismatch. So to avoid the mismatch, you have to be very sensitive to how your business is behaving and how you're able to align your resource consumption with your business. So when your business is growing, you need to make sure that your resources can grow to allow you to capture the growth of that business. When your business is shrinking, you need to make sure that you're able to put the brakes on your resources so that you're able to maximize the profit that you can make even in a flat or a down economy. Alignment and continuous optimization is key. The only way to do this, and to do this well, is to have visibility. You want to be able to see your assets, whether they're growing or shrinking. You want to see your spend, whether you're spending too much or too little. And you need one more thing, visibility. You need to be able to see whether operationally you can have your resources meet the needs of your business. Basically, you need to be very aware of what are the risks in your operation that will have your resources not be there when you need them most. Let me give you a few examples of such risks. First, security. If the information of your customers get exposed, you are going to have very angry customers. Another operational risk is when your service is slow to respond to the needs of your customers. If it's slow, they're going to leave you. Another risk that will negatively impact your customers is if your service goes down and your customers who rely on you, you're not there for them. The challenge is that you need to be able to do this with very limited time. So how do we do this? How do we keep our customers happy? How do we make sure we consume our resources like our business requires? What we need here is to balance. The amount of alignment you need to attain between your business and your resource consumption. How do I know if I'm at that balance or how I can get to that balance? Well, basically, I need to start with the baseline. I need to know what my assets are, I need to know what my spend is, and I need to know what risks exist that can threaten that balance. Once I know my baseline, I need to start refining my assets, my spend, my risks in order to achieve that balance. Once I get to that balance, I got to maintain that balance because my business is changing, my customers have other options, and my infrastructure is a moving target. At Newvem, we give you actionable insights to remediate those issues that can arise. At Newvem, we help you see the bottom line visibility into your cloud's assets, costs, and risk. So we analyze your cloud resources and their usage. We reveal to you issues that are related to cost, security, capacity, availability, and utilization. Last, but most important, we help you to improve. Make the right decisions with the relevant information that you need. We provide you detailed analysis of your actual daily cloud usage. We incorporate best practice recommendation to help you improve your cloud usage so it's most effective and most efficient for your business needs. In summary, at Newvem, we make sure you only use what you need. And if you only use what you need, we will make sure that you only pay for what you need.